Nature has an incredible way of healing. The peace and tranquility of the natural world can soothe the mind, ease stress, and improve our overall sense of well-being. In today's fast-paced, digital age, taking time to reconnect with nature has become more important than ever.
Research shows that spending time outdoors has a profound effect on mental health. Studies have found that being in nature lowers cortisol levels, the hormone responsible for stress, and can reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Just a short walk through a forest or a park can help reset your mind and body.
Mindfulness practices like meditation and yoga, when done in natural surroundings, become even more powerful. Surrounded by the sights, sounds, and smells of the earth, the mind becomes more still, and it's easier to feel present in the moment. The combination of mindfulness and nature works synergistically to promote relaxation and clarity.
Nature also encourages social connections. Whether it's a family picnic, a hike with friends, or simply meeting new people in the outdoors, the natural environment fosters meaningful relationships. These social bonds are key to maintaining good mental health, offering support, and creating a sense of community.
Plants play a vital role in nature's healing powers. From the oxygen we breathe to the vibrant colors that lift our mood, plants bring life and energy. Certain plants, such as lavender, chamomile, and rosemary, have even been found to reduce stress and improve cognitive function. Nature's pharmacy is always open, and its benefits are free for us to enjoy.
But beyond the science, there's something magical about being in nature. Watching a sunset, listening to the ocean's waves, or feeling the breeze on your skin, these moments remind us that we are part of something much bigger. They help us find peace in the present and gratitude for the world around us.
In a world where we're often consumed by worries and deadlines, nature offers a powerful antidote. It provides a space to slow down, to breathe deeply, and to reconnect with our true selves. Time in nature not only heals the mind but also recharges the spirit, leaving us refreshed and ready to take on life's challenges.
Whether you take a few moments to step outside, or plan a day exploring the wilderness, remember that nature is always there, offering its healing gifts. The more we embrace it, the more balanced, peaceful, and joyful our lives can become.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and join us on the journey of exploring the healing power of nature.